Welcome. In front of me is a Honor X8, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications and extend the list. And from here, simply locate the power saving mode. Now, if you don't see it in here, which I don't, you can tap right here on this pencil, and hopefully it will be one of the toggles that are turned off by default. As you can see, it's right over here, power saving mode. So we're gonna hold it, I'm gonna drag it over, drop it, and now when we go back, we should have access to it. So from here, we can just simply tap on it. It will give us this pop-up, so power saving mode, save power by disabling auto sync, eliminating background app activities, and reducing visual effects. So we can set enable, and there we go. That's about all we have. We just get this tiny little leaf in our battery as a change. Now, one of the most important things that it might change is the syncing, which what it refers to is that it will most likely disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. And any application that would normally rely on this, like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and so on, even like email fetching, will be limited by this. So you might not be receiving any notifications, or you might be receiving them sporadically, like every half an hour or so. So keep that in mind if you have such a problem. To know that this is just simply based on the power saving mode. Now, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by simply tapping on the toggle once again, and everything should go back to functioning normally as it did before. Now, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.